Hello students, welcome to our online session. These classes we are discussing about the concept of linked list. We have seen there are three types of linked list is available. So one is single linked list, next is a circular linked list, and the third one is double linked list. So these classes we are discussing about single linked list. In single linked list, we have covered the algorithm to create a linked list, and also we have discussed about how we are going to traverse a linked list, and also we discussed about how we are going to search a particular node in a linked list. And also we have discussed three types of insertion at the beginning of a node, inserting a node at the end, or inserting a node at a given position. So today's session we will focus on the next operation of single linked list, that is deleting a node. Even a deletion can be done in three various steps. We will discuss how we can delete a node in linked list. So to delete a node in a linked list, general thing we need to consider is find the previous node to be deleted. So to delete a node, we need to know the address of the previous node, change the next of the previous node. That means the previous node address should be made it to null, and free the space. See, once I shift if I want to delete a node, I should know the previous node, and I need to shift the address of the previous node next part, change the address of the previous node next part, and I need to free memory for the node to be deleted so that that space get freed up. So this is the general procedure how we can delete a node. There are three types of deletion possible. You can delete a node in the beginning, you can delete a node at the end, or you can delete a node at a given position. When we are working with this deletion operation, we will come across a few conditions. See, I want to delete particular node. First thing I need to check is whether linked list is empty. In case if linked list is itself is empty, linked list empty idre delete madakagalla, so it will deletion is not possible. So ee tara condition and we call it as underflow condition. So you're trying to delete a node but the linked list itself, the head itself is null, then you will our condition, that kind of condition we call it as underflow. And then next is to delete a particular node, we have to have a loop through the nodes until we find the node we want to delete. Next thing we need to focus is to delete a particular node, we need to, from the head position, we need to shift from the first node to second node to third node, like that. We need to have a track of the current pointer. That is the thing we have specified in the second point. And third point, in case you want to delete a node and you are keep on searching one by one and you have reached till the end, how we will know the linked list is ended means the address part of the linked list will be null. So if you reach the null part, then you could not find the value which you want to delete, then it will be like position out of range. Message can be displayed. And whenever in the linked list, whenever you need to delete a node, once the node is deleted, you need to free up the space. Okay, that you need to remember. So these are the some of the concept we need to remember to delete a node. To start with, we will discuss how we are going to delete a node in the beginning. So this is a memory representation of a single linked list. See, we first thing we want to delete a node in the beginning. Beginning means our first node itself we want to delete. First node, who will carry the address of the first node? Head will have the node of the first node. So what we need to do, you need to find out the pointer of the head node. So that means whatever is the, see this we call it as PTR. What is stored in the next part of PTR. So what will be shown here? The address of the next node. So the address of the next node will be stored here. We need to identify the address of your first node which is stored in the next position. Okay, so address part of the first node has to be found. Then what you need to do, you need to address the address part of your first node to the head node. So illi kottiruva address annu tagondi, if you put it off, what will happen? Which address will be there? The second node address only will be there in the first node. So what happens? A link between this node is removed, and a link between this and this particular second node will be established. So this is the things you need to remember. You need to from the beginning you need to assign the current pointer, and then you need to assign the head position is pointer of next node. Whatever is the head, wherever a head is pointing, that head node's next part you need to take. So this is next part. Now address part of this node you need to take. Assign that address to the head position so that this will be deleted, and you will last is you need to free the first node. This node has to be freed up. So this is how the deletion of node in the beginning works. We will see the steps behind it. So to delete a node, first the previous node of the node to be deleted, change the next of the previous node, free the nodes. So here what is when head equals to null? In case first we have to check the algorithm. If head is null, you need to just give underflow. Underflow means it's not starting a null. So no linked list only is there. Then you can give underflow and finish off. Go to step 5 and complete it up. Otherwise, if head is not null, set the pointer that PTR equals to head. The first head alli yav value irutte? First node address. So that address you make it to PTR. Next, what you say, head equal to head of next. So what was head of next? The first node alli iruva address part annu you need to take the address part of the first node and set it to head. So what will happen? The second node address will be set to the head node. Second node address head ku set agmele enagutte? You just need to free the first node and then exit. So this is how deletion of a node in the beginning has to take place. First node address will be in the head position. Address of the first node will carry the address of the second node. Take the address part of the second node, place it to the head node. So link between your head and the second node will be established, and you can remove the first node. That's all we are going to do. And next we will discuss deleting a node in the end. So deleting the node in the end means you need to come to the last node and check where you will find the next part as null. So how we know it is a last node? The address part of the last node will be null. So till there you need to come. Then that previous node will be there, no? Not the last node where you will get the address part as null. That previous node of this will be there, no? That you make it to null. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು usually ಈ node ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you make this null, a link between this will be removed for that purpose only. So what we need to do in deletion of node at the end means you need to bring the pointer till the end where you find the null. Not that node, the previous node of that is there now, that you need to address part of that you make it to null and free up the pointer. Like that you can work towards deleting a node in the. So in a steps form when we need to discuss this, so it first checks whether the head is null. Null idre it will say underflow and finish off, list is empty. If list is not empty, it will check whether the list has only one node. You need to check whether only one node is there. If the list has only one node, it will set both head and tail to null. Okay, onde node iruttandre that you need to delete means head position, head only you make it to null and finish off. Otherwise, if it has more than one node, traverse through the list node current pointer to the second last node in the list till that end where the second last node you go. Then node current will become the new tail of the list, and node next to the current will made null to the delete the last node. So what will have to do, you move to the previous node, last kinda previous node bandbittu, you free up the next node and make the address of that particular current node to null. That's all. So as an algorithm, when we see, you need to initially say head is null. Head null idre write underflow. Underflow andre linked list illa anta. So directly you will come to step 8 and finish off. Otherwise, your head position has to be assigned to PTR. One temporary variable. PTR is nothing but a temporary variable. And then you need to repeat step and 5 until you find your next position of your address part of your node to null. That's what we discussed, no? So until PTR of next not equals to null, until every value is there, no, you need to check whether the address part of the node is null. Until you reaches that, you need to think. So you every time you need to repeat the step and set pre-PTR. So here current position anno store ಮಾಡುವ variable ಹೆಸರು PTR. Along with this, I am storing every step if I go. See, from the first node, I am there. In the head will show the address of the first node. From the first node, when I am there, that is PTR. And some values there, so it is not null. So I'm going to the second node, means the second node will be assigned to PTR. That the previous node, no, that is first node will be assigned to pre-PTR. Okay. And then the second node should be assigned to PTR. Like that, check one by one by assigning PTR and pre-PTR. So, elli tanaka check madbeku until you find the address part of your node to be null. Okay. In case you found it, you will come to the end. The condition become false means then what you need to do, set PTR of next. So from the beginning, we will, our current node is taken as PTR, the previous node is taken as pre-PTR. So set the previous node address to null. Once the previous node address null agbitrene, you can free the next PTR node and exit. That's all. So this is how you will delete a node at the end. What you need to do, you need to have a current pointer, move the current pointer to till the last node where you find your address part of a current pointer to be null. Node itkondu other previous node anna identify maadi, previous node anna address part annu you need to have to make it to null. That's all. So the next is deleting a node in a given position. So given position means you should know, you need to move your node to that particular position, delete that and give the address particular node you want to delete now, that for that previous node address, specify the next node address, you bring it and place it in the previous node. See this example diagram, you will understand. See, we have node which stores 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, we need to delete this node 10. The node which is carrying the data 10. So what you need to do, you need to use one pointer variable and come to that particular position. Once you have reached here, what you need to do, you need to, anyway, e address annu illiratalva, next node address will be here, correct? Take the address and put it to the previous node. That's all. So what happens, this address will come here, means this link will be linked. E address yavdu represent agate, it will represent the next node. So a link will be established between your first node and third node. That's all. So move to your particular position, take the next node address and put it to your previous node address. Address part of the previous node. Take the address of the next node, put it to your address of the address part of the previous node. That's all. This is how we will work. So once you delete, only we will have 3 nodes, 5, 15 and 20. This is how we will delete at a particular node. We will see the algorithm. Here also first step is head is null, underflow. Head null idre we can't do. So go directly go to temp and finish off. Otherwise, head position, first head value that you need to keep it as 10. And then from the beginning, you need to repeat the step until you reach that particular position. So you need to repeat 5 to 8 until you need to identify the position. As ಯಾವ position ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು set ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Until you reach that particular position, you need to repeat 5 to 8. So first head node address annu edinalli irutte, it will be in the temp. Next you need to, so temp use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you take the header address, means you can come to the first node, yes, and check whether temp is null. First node null idre you can finish it off, desired node not present, and complete it off. Illadre you need to move one more step, next step move ಮಾಡುವಾಗ that particular second node will become a temp node, the first node will become a temp 1 node. You need to set like that. See, temp 1 node is going to be temp, and temp is equal to temp of next node. Set ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you need to come to that particular desired position. After coming to the particular position, we will end of the loop, we will finish off the complete the loop. So particular position bandre loop will terminate and we will come out of the loop. And the temp of next, that means next node address iruttallva adannu tagondu you need to put it to your previous node address, that is called temp 1 of next equals to temp of next. So temp of next andre current node alli iruva next address annu tagondu previous node alli iruva next part ge you need to join it up. So that's all. Then free the current pointer, the temp node, temporary node, and exit. So once again, the diagrammatic way, when we see, we will take the second line. First you need to identify that particular position. So this position is 2, means we have identified, means so take the address. Okay, this is called, so while moving this as per our algorithm, this will be temp and this will be temp 1. So what we need to do, temp of next, what is temp of next? This address should be assigned to temp 1 of next. So where is temp 1 of next? This value. So this value will be taken and it will be sent to here. So what happens when it's sent to here? This will refer to the data, the linked list with a node which is carrying the value data. So this can be removed. You can free up the space. So this is how deleting a node at a given position will work. So today's session, we discussed 3 algorithms. One is deleting a node in the beginning, deleting a node at the end, deleting a node at the given position. So with this, we have seen the algorithm part of single linked list. So single linked list, what are the operation is possible, means you can create, you can insert, you can search, you can traverse. Insertion can be done in 3 ways. Same way, deletion also can be done in 3 ways. So you have 5 basic operation which can be performed using single linked list today. So with this class, we finished all the algorithms based on single linked list. In our next class, we'll discuss about the program based on single linked list. With this, we will end our session. Have a nice day.